up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me Anjali, and in today's video of Vlogmas I'm going to be reacting to your assumptions about me, and let's see if they're right or wrong. So yesterday I actually put this poll up on my Instagram asking you guys to drop your assumptions about me, and not gonna lie, I got a decent amount of them, so I'm gonna reply to them right now. So we'll start off with the first one, which is you now don't like your real friends like before. Actually that's kind of true, because I know who they are, truly who they are now, so there is no point of me being faking or pretending after I know truly who they are. So I just thought of ignoring them, but I'm not being mean to anyone or not. I still talk to them. It's just not that we don't have the bond we used to have earlier. The next one says sometimes you feel like handling social media is actually tough. Not gonna lie, I feel this 24/7. Not gonna lie that. But seeing you guys love and support, it keeps me motivated. So it never really motivates me to stop it. It actually motivates me to continue. So thanks a lot for you guys love and support. I don't know how this could have been possible without you guys, so I love you guys so much. You love yourself but you're not selfish. Oh my god, thank you so much for saying that loud. I've received so much of messages from some of you guys telling me that you are selfish because you love yourself. I don't know why you feel that, because loving yourself is not selfishness. Actually, not thinking about others and just thinking about yourself is selfishness, but loving yourself is not selfishness. It's actually not. So the next one is you are so ambitious and serious for your dreams, and that's good. Thank you. And yes, it's kind of half true and half false, because sometimes I don't get serious with my dreams, but sometimes I do. And I don't know about ambitious because sometimes I don't even have a clue of what I'm gonna do when I grow up. Because if you know me personally, you would have known that I used to love teaching. I love telling others some things or teaching others. So I have always wanted to be a teacher from such a young age, but seeing seeing this situation going on, I don't know if that's gonna be possible when I become older. So we'll have to see, but still I am really ambitious. I have a lot of things in my mind. It's just that sometimes I doubt myself, which is not good. I know, I accept that, but yeah. Okay, so the next one is you are afraid of cockroaches. Coming to that, I'm not afraid of any reptiles or any insects except snakes, and I'm not afraid. It's just that it's little, disgusting for me, but no hates towards them. It's just that I feel a little uncomfortable when they're around me, but I'm not scared of them. And yeah, you are so cute like anything. I don't know if that's an assumption, but thank you so much for your sweet gesture. I really appreciate that. So moving on to the next one, you are the topper of your class and everyone in your class knows you have a YouTube channel. So I'm actually not the first topper of my class, because I have like another 5 classmates who have the same mark. So yeah, and also in our class, ranks and all doesn't really matter. We don't have actually ranks. We just see our individual marks and that's it. And I don't think everyone knows that I have a YouTube channel. So fun fact, when I started my YouTube channel, I used to share my YouTube channel links to all of my friends, and because I didn't have anyone else to share with, and I used to share with all my relatives, all the all my classmates, and now I'm regretting that. Actually, I'm really regretting it, but it is what it is. So, and also I don't think everyone knows, but yeah, some does, which I'm regretting fully. You have your own room. This is partially true and false because I do share my room with my grandmother, so it's actually not fully my room, but yes, I do have a room. You are a dancer. That's 100% true. I'm a dancer. You are shy. I don't know from what angle you see that I'm shy, because I'm an extrovert. I love making friends. I love talking to others, and it just take me 5 minutes to connect with the peeps. So I'm an extrovert, I would say. Never an introvert, never ever. Next one, you have no friends that live near your house. LOL, because I have never seen one in your videos, sorry. That's true. I don't have anyone who is living near my house, so I can show you. Yeah. So you guys, I end this video right here. I had quite a lot more, but I thought I'll just end it right here because I don't want to lengthen this video so much, so that I have to sit and edit this video so much. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Till that, stay home, stay safe. I love you guys so much. Take care of yourself and your family. Love yourself. Bye, loves.